Hello my creative friends, Olga Soby here and welcome to this new fluid acrylic painting tutorial. Today I want to work with rainbow colors on black and white color split base. And for technique for my rainbow I want to go for the criss-cross, blowout, touch pour. If you want to see some of my previous rainbow colored paintings and creations, check out this playlist. I'm sure you'll find a lot of inspiration there. And for all the supplies for today's piece, I will include the links and names in the description under this video. So if you have any questions, check it out. And without further ado, let's get to it. Ascendant flow is a secret message today because I want to create this beautiful uprising movement in my rainbow colors. So I want to start with adding my white and I want to have this wavy effect in the base. So the top is going to be white and the bottom part is going to be black. Okay, the base is done and now I'm gonna add my colors in the center and I want to add them sort of in the chess order again. So on my black side, I don't want to be adding colors right over the black because they will dry just super duper dark on this color. So I'm adding a little bit of white and that will help my colors in the dark section stand out a little better. This is such a cool multi-yin-yang concept, you know, I should add black drops and it's done. But that's not what we're gonna do today. So for the order of my colors, I want to start with red on the bottom and move all the way to violet at the top. And so there is some red, some orange in this one. So first one was mix of primary magenta and transparent red. This is a mix of just some reds and oranges and yellow, so don't really have a name for a second one. This is azu yellow. My green is also quite a bit of mix of some phthalo and some yellow. This is turquoise blue and brilliant blue mix. For my indigo I mixed some blues and violet. Some blues and purple, pardon me, and of course some violet. So to give my colors a bit of an overlap, oh, this is looking cool. I want to add, just like before, a little bit of neighboring color in each one. And this way colors will look a little more interesting and will be less flat when I blow it out. Did I get them all? Oh, no. I need to add green. Okay, I seriously already love how this looks. I want to add a bit more yellow. So I also want to add a couple of iridescent colors here just to help my colors shine when they dry. And oh boy, I can't go without gold, especially not for this color combo. So my gold is going to be connecting flow between all of them. So this was lighter gold, and this is a bit more orangey gold. I think it will also look beautiful. And on top, adding some white to help the cell formation. And I'm gonna do the blowout. Have you seen this rainbow flow that I've done before? This one's gonna have similar kind of energy, but different color base. Alright you guys, let's blow it out. I can't wait to see how that's gonna turn out with black and white base. And for the blowout, I like to start at the top and move my way down. And we'll do this crisscross motion. I love it. Some cells begin to pop up here and there. This is gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. So let's work on some details now. Should not have done that. I liked it better with white corner. So let's fix it. This is looking beautiful. So next I want to do finger swipe to create that beautiful flow and connect all colors together even more. But so far I really like that the fact that I added colors, they sort of overlapped. I added a little bit of neighboring color to each one. It gives such a beautiful gradient transition. The colors are not, there are no borders between the colors, and this is how I love it for sure. I don't like this little weird thing here. For my finger swipe, I'm gonna go probably for more bright orange, for more orangey gold. Oh. Okay, so I'm just gonna literally dip my finger in it. You know me, I love to get my fingers in the paint. And I'm gonna follow the natural flow of colors. I think I'll paint more gold over when it's dry, but I don't want to get in right now to add more gold because this is so beautiful. I don't want to mess it up. So I want to add a bit more orange right here because this line is a little too fine. Need more orange color here. I literally just blew it all off into the black. Okay, take two. Adding more orange here because this line is still too fine. Okay, this is better. I also don't like that this part here, it's too much dark. You know, it's off balance because the rest of the colors that are on this side, they have a little black in them, but not that much. So I want to fix that. So I'm gonna dip out this. Gorgeous. Has almost inks effect here. I really like this wiggly line of white pulled into the blue. I want to do a couple more like this for other colors as well. Yeah, it adds that very beautiful, playful energy. I love it. There is enough of everything. Movement, contrast, cells, lines, beautiful transparency and solid areas. I think it's time for me to stop now. Let's see how this beauty dries, and then I'll show you fully dry and finished results, so keep watching. And here it is dry, covered with epoxy. Before finishing it with resin though, I did a really quick touch-up on dry painting. I used round, very fine round brush, and I enhanced this flow with a little more gold. So this uprising movement is more continuous and connected. So now it's perfect. And what can I say about this painting? I am super happy and proud to add it to my Rainbow Flow collection. By the way, check out this playlist if you want to see some of my previous works. And what do you think about this one? How do you like the layout and the overall outcome of today's painting? You know, this color palette, it has it all, quite literally. It has the rainbow gradient, the black and white, and of course tints and shades of all the colors. So I think it's very intense, freeing, empowering color scheme, and this is why I absolutely love it. I also think that working with such rainbow flow technique works especially amazing on longer type of panels. By the way, check out the sides of this one. I removed the tape. I love how my sides look with tape removed and this clean with edge. So works especially perfect on longer panels. But in the next video, I want to show you a variety of techniques that also work amazing with rainbow colors. So stay tuned for that. Thank you so much for joining me today. I really hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Please let me know. I will chat with you in the comments down below. Take care, create with passion, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye!